Is your website ownership stolen or taken by others on Facebook?
Stolen?
If you're not sure, then you might be in trouble. Here's what I need you to do. Go to business.facebook.com, click on the burger menu on the top left and click on Business Setting. Go to Brand Safety, Domains. Over here, you should be able to see your website domain listed. If it's not there, you need to claim your domain as soon as possible. In this video, I'm going to share with you why you need to claim your domain, how to claim it, and what to do if someone else has claimed it from you. Hi, I'm Jave, a digital marketing expert located in Singapore. Now, a quick intro on why you need to verify and claim your domain. If you're advertising on Facebook and want Facebook to show your ads to people who will buy your product, you need to set your campaign objective and track the buy button. If you are looking for leads, then you will want to optimize for lead submission. However, to do that, you must be the domain owner.
Same owner.
Same owner.
If you don't claim your domain, you cannot tell Facebook what to focus on. You'll be stuck with, at best, the landing page view objective, which may or may not get you any sales. Now, let me show you how to claim your domain on Facebook. On the domain page, click on Add. Claim a new domain. Enter your URL without the HTTP or HTTPS. Copy the meta tag onto your website. Then click Verify Domain. If you don't know how to add meta tag into your website, check out this step-by-step video over here. Once you have verified it, you can proceed to Event Manager to set up your priority goals. But what happens if your domain has already been claimed? It could be that you have claimed it before under your personal profile instead of Business Manager, or you just bought this domain URL from somewhere and you do not know how to contact the previous owner. Or perhaps your previous agency claimed the domain for you and for some reason, they refuse to release the domain. For those who are working with their agency right now, please go check if they are the owner of your domain. If they are, get them to release the ownership back to you immediately.
Right now.
You do not want to be at their mercy when the relationship turns sour. The lawsuit and time wasted are just not worth it. How to know if your domain has been claimed? If you encounter this error message, then it means that it has been claimed. You can see which business manager claimed it, which can be helpful when you do the next step. Go back to Business Manager. On the bottom left, click on Help. Create New Case. Other Ad Account Issue. Now, in this message to Facebook, it is better for you to include this information straight away up front. It will make it much quicker for Facebook to understand your situation and for them to action on it. If they do not have the full info, they will come back to you and the ding-dong around is going to take a long time. The next step now is really a waiting game.
A few moments later.
It usually takes at least 2 working days for them to reply to you if you are lucky.
What?
I've read that some people waited years before giving up and abandoning advertising on Facebook.
Oh no.
So, my friend, if your agency owns your domain now and you're still in a good relationship with them, claim back your domain right now. With your domain claim, you will want to optimize your Facebook ads campaign and target the right audience, people who will actually buy from you. Not sure how to do it? Check out this video. Alright, that's all for today. Follow me if you want to get more tips on how to increase your business using digital marketing today. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I read them all. Goodbye.